Hi, so today I'm going to be showing you a few of the features that can be helpful for students using the Google Read and Write extension for Google Chrome. So the first thing that you need to do if you don't already have this extension on your Chromebook, you go to the Chrome Web Store and find the purple puzzle piece, the Google Read and Write. And then when that comes up, I already have it installed, but if you do not, you just install it. And then to find it, once it's installed, you'll go up to this black puzzle piece here, and it will be in your list of extensions. And to keep it in your bookmark bar all the time, you just click this little pin to pin it up there. And the little purple puzzle piece with RW is the Google Read and Write feature. So, this feature can be super helpful for students in many ways. Here I have my Google Classroom pulled up to show you a few things that this extension can do. So once you have that extension pinned in your bookmark, anytime you need it, you can just click it and the little toolbar will pop up at the top. So the first tool I'm going to show you is the hover speech. When you click on hover speech and then you hover over a word.
Jocelyn Winkler posted a new assignment. There. Created APR April 29th, 29.
And then you can click the stop box to stop it. So if you click on hover speech and hover your mouse over any words that you may not know or you need help reading, it will read it to you. The next one we have is the dictionary. So if you do not know a word, all you have to do is highlight that word and then click dictionary, and it will explain to you what that word means, give you all of the definitions of that word. Then we have the picture dictionary. So if we needed to see pictures of students, we could click picture dictionary and some visuals would come up for us to see. The next thing that we use a lot is the screenshot reader. So for the screenshot reader, this is helpful when students may not know a word or they're having trouble putting words together. So for this, I'm going to hop over to a Google form, a test that we have taken. Open my Google Read and Write back up. And for this, if a student cannot figure out how to read this, they can use this screenshot reader and the little plus sign will come up and they just draw a box around anything that needs to be read to them. And when they let go of the box, it will read what is highlighted back to them.
Want to go to house. There.
And if you need to speed it up or slow it down or change anything about the way that they talk, you just click these three little dots right here on the toolbar and click options, and you can change the speed any way you need to. Then I'm going to go back to the classroom for this example. Now, some students have a more difficult time typing. So this tool comes in handy right here, talk and type. When you click this, it will start typing whatever you speak to the computer. So if I was confused about this assignment, and I needed help, and I needed to comment on this post to my teacher, or if I was trying to type anything and maybe I didn't know how to spell a word or anything like that. If I just talk it, then my Chromebook will type it for me with the talk and type tool. So I will use this now and ask for help. I need help. And it will type it just like that, and then all you have to do is post it and it is there. So that is the talk and type tool, which comes in very handy. Those are some of the most helpful tools that I have found useful with the Google Read and Write extension, and I hope that this helped you a little bit, and I hope that it will help your students, and good luck.